If you notice oil leaking from your car, it is important to fix it as soon as possible. Even a small leak can turn into a bigger and more expensive problem over time. Here is a step-by-step method to help you inspect and stop an oil leak in your car. To begin fixing an oil leak, start by carefully inspecting the top of the engine. Check the valve cover and the oil cap. Make sure the oil cap seal is in good condition and not cracked or loose. Also, inspect any sensors on the top of the engine for signs of oil around them, as they can sometimes leak. Next, go underneath the car and take a close look at the oil pan. Look for any signs of oil around the edges and drain plug. Then, inspect the oil filter and oil filter housing, as these are also common places where oil can leak. After that, move to the wheel well area. From here, inspect the crankshaft pulley and the belt for any signs of oil buildup or splashing. Oil in this area can indicate a leak from the front main seal or the crank position sensor. Also check the crankshaft position sensor for any signs of leakage. Finally, do not forget to check the oil level using the dipstick. If the level is low, it confirms that oil is leaking or being lost somewhere in the system. If you do not find any visible oil leaks during your first inspection, try taking the car for a short drive. Sometimes, leaks only occur when the engine is hot and oil is under pressure. After driving for 10 to 15 minutes, park the car and check again. Once you have found the source of the leak, use a clean rag or cloth to wipe off any visible oil, dirt, or grime. After wiping it down, spray brake cleaner directly onto the leaking area. Brake cleaner is very effective at removing oil and residue that might not come off with just a cloth. Scrub the surface gently with a brush to loosen and remove any stubborn buildup. This ensures the area is completely free of grease and contaminants. Once you have finished scrubbing, use compressed air to fully dry before applying any sealant. Now the area is clean and dry, apply a generous but controlled amount of silicone gasket maker directly onto the leak. This product is designed to fill in gaps and create a flexible, oil-resistant seal. Using silicone gasket maker can provide a reliable seal that stops oil from leaking. By using these methods, you can effectively stop small leaks and protect your engine from further damage. Regular maintenance and quick attention to oil leaks will help keep your vehicle in top condition for years to come. However, if you are ever unsure, it is always best to take your car to a professional mechanic for proper diagnosis and repair.